A brand new paper pad from Hunkydory, and it's called "Twas the Night Before Christmas." Now, you may have seen a couple of other items with this same title. There is a little book that you can make that's super easy. There's also a small book, but there's also this 8x8 paper pad. Now, there are 48 sheets in here. They are all double-sided, and I'm going to show you every single one. Now, you're going to get 4 of each one, so let me bring them in. Actually, I'll just scoot that aside. So there is the first one. So great big lovely image of Santa, and here is more. Oh, looks like all the presents are falling out. Very fun. And now everything is put right together. And we have a Santa going up down the chimney and a very happy Santa. I like the fact that all of these Santas are very friendly looking. Now we also have this. Now these are double-sided, and I should show you the other side. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry about that. So the back sides are an all-over pattern, so you can choose which side you want to use, of course, and you're going to get 4 sheets of every single one. So let me set that aside, and I'll do a better job of showing you the other sides. Here is Santa coming down, very nice, and just a stripe on the back. Here we have, oh my, there's some little trouble brewing, okay. And on the back side. Now these are a gloss paper, and they are paper, so just very, very useful. And so you can see, "Twas the Night Before Christmas" is all about that jolly old elf. And there we go. And this is the last one. So again, you're going to get 4 of each. Now, you can certainly use these in scrapbooking, certainly on cards. They would make large cards, which are going to be a really nice statement for Christmas. Or you can cut the images out and put them on tags if you want, or on cards. So a lot of options with "Twas the Night Before Christmas."